Hello and welcome to MS Excel VBA. This is Jahan. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel and also discuss the VLOOKUP, how to use the VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP advantage or disadvantage. First of all, we learn how to use the VLOOKUP formula in Excel. The VLOOKUP stand of virtual lookup is a function that make a Excel search of value in a column that's so called the table array in order of the return value from a different column in the same row. This article I will teach you how to use the VLOOKUP function. Learn first the VLOOKUP advantage. That because VLOOKUP is using the commission table on the worksheet directly, this is a make the formula much shorter and easily to read. More importantly, that means I can just edit the table if I want to change the commission structure. This data sheets. For example, when you change the employee ID and change it first name, last name, address, cities, and everything. The VB is a VLOOKUP is a disadvantage. Only provides data in a column. A single value must be in a row. Data types should be a same in the both column. Cannot look up value from the left. For example, in this data, we want to look up the employee ID. Employee ID in the left side. You don't look up the left side in this lesson. If you want to the lookup the alternated method, but in the beginner you are not do this type of your VLOOKUP. Okay, let's me do it. How to use the VLOOKUP? First equal to sign, just VLOOKUP and press that VLOOKUP formula and select the VLOOKUP value. We add this J2. We have employee ID in J2. We select the J3 and comma the table array. But I suggest you select entire column. If you add any data in the bottom, it's also consider your formula. Then comma the call index number. What is the call index number? This is a column number. Which column are you want? For example, this is a last name column 2. We add a 2 and comma. He asks you the absolutely match or exact match. You click the false and bracket close and press enter. You want to the change to false, you also use a 1 means true and 0 means false. When you do the 0, the result is the same. So when I change the employee ID, the last name also update. We use the first name, the same formula VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP set the VLOOKUP value, the J3 comma the table array comma 3 comma 0. This is the last name. We just copy this formula to address and city. Just change the column number, the 4. Here I use the column number 5. Now we have a city's address, first name, last name, everything in each another. When you select the employee ID, your first name, last name, address, and it's also updating. This is a VLOOKUP sentence. First use the VLOOKUP and the lookup, select the VLOOKUP values and the table arrays. Then assign the column number and enter the 0. That's all. If you want to the left side, I have alternate formula. Use the index match. Index. First you want to the employee ID. Select the employee ID column. Then use the match formula. And the lookup value is the first name, comma, and the first name we look this one and press enter. Click OK. This index match formula is returned to left to right or anything. I hope you are enjoy this tutorial. If you are new, subscribe my channel. If you looking this the data validation, you click this data validations and choose this list and select this column and click OK. Now you have all of your employee ID. Thank you. Bye bye.